was my sacred cow. That was then what this is now. It flies for the stage and takes a bow. Ooh, do-do-do-do-do. Boozhoo! Welcome back to the Boozhoo, not a Boozhoo podcast. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I'm here today with my weenie machine, the one and only, I don't even know what to call you. My old man. Please welcome Nana Boozhoo.
Oh, hey, Boozhoo! Welcome back to Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Did you just say all this?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, sorry. All right. Well, hey, we have a very special Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo episode today. Today we're just gonna play a whole bunch of songs from the podcast, and there's gonna be a bunch of songs from Kiss, from you guys over there. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Boozhoo, not a Boozhoo. Yeah, how many times are we gonna say that?
Oh, I don't know.
All right, enjoy.
You show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party's just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. You're looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
And you show us everything you've got. Oh baby, baby, that's quite a lot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Tonight, I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. Hey everybody, it's Paul Stanley from Kiss. And we're here today to welcome you to Boozhoo, not a Boozhoo. I'm here today with Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo, Natasha. Okay. Hey everybody, welcome to the show. And now please welcome Nana Boozhoo. Take it away, Nana Boozhoo.
Love. All right, you guys, let's rock this thing.
You need my love, baby, oh so bad. You're not the only one I ever had.
And if I say I wanna set you free,
Oh, don't you know you'll be in misery?
Call me,
Dr. Love.
they call me Dr. Love.
Calling Dr. Love.
I am a doctor of love.
Dr. Love.
And even though I'm full of sin, in the end you will let me in.
You'll let me through, there's nothing you can do.
You need my love and don't you know it's true?
So answer please, get on your knees. There are no bills, there are no fees.
Baby, I know what your problem is.
The first step of the cure is a kiss.
Call me,
Dr. Love.
they call me Dr. Love.
Calling Dr. Love.
I am a doctor of love.
Dr. Love. And the song is God of Thunder by OJIINDAM. Kiss. All right, let's rock this thing.
You got something about you. You got something I need. Daughter of Aphrodite, hear my words and take heed. I was born on Olympus, to my father a son. I was raised by the demons, chained to reign as a one. God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rock you of your virgin soul. I was lord of the wasteland, a modern day man of steel. I gathered darkness to please me. I command you to kneel before the God of thunder and rock and roll. The spell you're under will slowly rob you of your virgin soul.
Well, all right, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode of, you know what we were calling it, Ojibwe songs from the Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo podcast. I will see you again. Igawaba min. Minawa. Oh,